Hey folks, Bill Bodner here at the Mortgage Market Guide. Thanks for tuning in to our MMG weekly recap. So up on the screen on Thursday, you could see uh, mortgage-backed security market having a crazy week. The financial markets in general over the last 6 or 7 days has just been incredible. We have the Omicron uncertainty, still not a lot of data and insights yet, but the early signs tell us that at least maybe the cases appear to be mild, which would be a great thing because I think what the financial markets were worried about, what's going to be the solution, right? Is it going to come with more restrictions and mandates and economic shutdowns? And so it looks like, at least on the surface, that's not going to happen. But the other thing that happened, and the elephant in the room, is the Fed chair who did a complete flip flop. And so the Fed chair over the last year has been getting behind the word transitory as it relates to the high nature of inflation, saying it's going to subside in the middle of 2022. Well, the only thing that happened in the last week, or the only thing that changed, is that the Fed chair got renominated. And then no sooner does he get renominated, he gets up on Capitol Hill, and now it's a problem. And so now they paved the way for, in the December meeting, to speed up the tapering and get it done maybe by the spring of 2022, which then ultimately paves the way for a Fed rate hike. Now, the only problem that we have at Mortgage Market Guide is, believe it or not, what's happened in just the last couple of weeks, inflation expectations are actually starting to decline. So right at the exact time he's telling us that inflation is going to be a problem, and it certainly may be, but it has moved down materially on a 5-year level and a 10-year level over just the last couple of weeks, in advance of him being nominated, and definitely in advance of him making this speech this week. So I hope this finds you well as we head into next week. And the big news is going to be, can prices hold on to these, let's call them 2021 price lows? If they do not, we will be revisiting pre-pandemic mortgage rates. And from a technical standpoint, I'm looking at this yellow line, this 50-day moving average, clearly a problem for the bond market, mortgage-backed security market. And what I'd also leave you with is that, while the 10-year note is holding on to its gains, the 10-year note doesn't provide you pricing on your rate sheet. You have to watch mortgage-backed securities, and mortgage-backed securities are trading quite differently than the Treasury market right now, which is seeing outsized gains because of this safe haven trade. Hope this finds you well. Have a great afternoon. Take care. Bye-bye.